Oh, this is funny. All those test posts are now showing up.
Well, yeah, they have been, right?
News.run. No, it's just funny. I went to the site and it's like new thing. Wow, cool ball.
Yeah. Yeah, I did that. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Oops. Bless you.
Thanks. Alright, so if I create a test entry, let's see how this works. I believe it just sticks the file in media. Add media. Ah, zillions of PDFs.
Yeah, I saw that.
Alright. URL. RunMyRobot. It's kind of cool. It's like ours, but made out of wood.
Yeah.
Update.
Weird. Yeah.
What's weird?
Must be a bug. I'm pretty sure I'm using the same password. The Satan is a nice guy password for Theo. But I just deleted that account because something happened so that I
don't
can't.
want to type that in every time I try to edit a WordPress entry anyways.
It's hard thinking of these names. I mean passwords. I gotta do it. Let's see.
Are you trying to make them memorable? Is that sort of the criteria?
No, I'm just.
We could do something like dog, carrot, car.
Yeah.
You know, just keep adding words.
Yeah. Okay. That's hard too. Let me think.
I'm still trying to. You're not screen sharing, are you?
I am, I think. Or I don't know. No, I'm not. Okay, well, whatever. So, let me try to log in as the admin again.
Is it working? I mean, is it allowing you to log in now that you changed the password, or
Yeah,
I
yeah.
just
Now,
want to
now
know,
that
is it like an intermittent thing, or is it?
I think it'll probably break again. I think it's related to the fact that Theo is a special user on WordPress, and it has my own password. So I log in, with a different
Oh, yeah,
password.
you don't want to log in both. So you want to clear all cookies and then log in through our sites,
Yeah.
and that's it. You don't want to actually probably. I don't know what would happen if you log in both.
Well, let me see. Let's try a new browser. I'm gonna log in with the Theo user, which should be like the most admin user that you can be.
Right from the user all of the WordPress logins, so that they have to log in through the RunMyRobot site, and then. But if you log into both, it's a little bit unpredictable what's going to happen.
Okay. Hmm. Well, okay. So this is
You
what I
can
mean.
just do this. I mean, this is cool to just do this just so we can edit the site or whatever. Huh? Whatever.
What the heck? All right. Oh yeah. So I guess I was trying to Google how do we display a base 64 string. Um, in the blog post.
I think we should do it. I think we should utilize S3. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, the only good way I can see to do this. So here's how WordPress does it. It just creates a file with that media thing. It's it saves the file on your hard drive,
Mm-hmm.
and then it puts a simple, href, image with an href to that file on your hard drive. But we don't want to store it on the hard drive, so I believe we can just I believe we can just mark that S3 bucket. Well, first of all, we got to make sure we're actually storing JPEG files in the S3 bucket. Then we can just mark that thing public, and we can reference the files straight out of the S3 bucket.
Okay. All right. Well, then I guess the first step is how do we store JPEGs onto S3 rather than the Space 64 thing? So we have to
Should just be like one,
de-encode it.
yeah, one thing like that. But let's first just make sure we can make it display an image that's just like one of our thumbnails. Just make sure we can make a blog post that works with an image.
Okay.
Just to get that
All right.
certainty out of the way.
Wait. So okay. So we need a link to a JPEG, right? Okay.
Yeah, just one of our existing images that we already have.
Yeah. Okay, we'll do this. Was this you trying to do it?
Yeah, that was my post. We could just do that. Yeah, we could just modify that. Just change this path.
Wait, did this work when you did this?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
But that was not, it's a little different. I want to make sure this actually works for an arbitrary file.
Whoa. That did something weird.
Why does it have that? We need your feedback. That was like an old.
Whoa. What's going on? What the heck? Why did it log me out?
Because you're Theodore now, right? So RunMyRobot is going to override. Your login in RunMyRobot is going to keep overriding this.
Oh, okay. Oh. So this does something really weird.
What do you mean?
I mean, so when I put in this URL, right, to whatever, RunMyRobot, to this RunMyRobot domain, it opens up an iframe. Why does it open up an iframe?
It's working. I just went to news.runmyrobot.com. It's as expected.
Really? How come then? What's happening here then? If I click on this permalink thing, why do I see something really weird?
That I don't know.
This is what I see when I click on that.
That's like crazy.
Yeah. Your house is crazy right now.
Yeah. I see. If you visit the thing, it's all freaked up. Like if you actually visit the blog entry, it's just really messed up. Probably something wrong. I mean, all of them are probably going to be messed. Oh, wait a minute. No, they're not. Okay. So, oh, that is strange. So the other ones are actually sane. But that one.
Yeah, it's really weird. It is really weird. Why would it do that? It's the strangest thing.
Maybe I just try creating another host.
What the heck? Yeah, I think that it's gotta be that one post is there's some crazy bug.
I think it might be because I call it test. But let's try this new one. Because I noticed it's trying to go to like /test, and maybe that's a special URL. Or something.
Yeah. So probably that's probably it. It's gotta be it. Okay, that's sane. That's fine.
Okay, good.
All right, so we have to de-encode. Is that even a word? Decode. Decode base 63.
What are you looking for?
I'm just trying to decode that base64 string into a JPEG file.
Okay.
Okay, I think I got it.
It's actually a thing called A to B and B to A. Look, that's what I'm getting, anyways.
What? What was that? What are you saying?
Function called
Oh, B to binary to array. Array to binary and binary to array, I think. That's not, I don't think that's what I'm getting. Shoot, I was just there.
I think the difference is you're looking at image file, which
I think I got it. I mean, here.
either way, yeah. I mean, whatever works. Probably multiple ways.
Yeah. What am I doing? So here, snapshot object. Upload here. Body. Okay, so here. So the body, I want it to be an actual file. Let's see. Or I want it to. I guess the body is the actual data.
Yeah.
Okay. So. 64 string is. I don't think I need the beginning, the header, so I'll cut that off. Buffers.
Interesting thing is, maybe this already converted it. This says content encoding base 64. Let's just take a look at the file on S3 and see if it is a JPEG file already.
No, I know for sure it's not because I've already checked.
Oh, you've already checked it, okay.
Not today, but I had to know to implement
Okay.
this.
No, you don't have to check. I was just...
Okay.
I just thought it might convert it for you or something. But...
Okay, so we have the buffer thing, and then I don't know if I can just send a buffer here, but maybe I can like write it as a file first and then read the contents of the file. So I'm thinking maybe like okay, so hold on, I'll show you. Jesus Christ. Fine. So anyway, I converted it. I converted it to this buffer thing, right? So I converted to this buffer thing, and now I can write. So I have this part, buffer. I have this, so I can write it to a file with this line next, right? So I can, if I wanted to.
Yeah, but don't.
It could be like this.
Don't write to a file.
So maybe I can just send that buffer and then here in the body, like this. Maybe. Let's see if that'll work.
Maybe.
Okay, I mean, that did something. So, wait, did I restart the server? I don't remember. I hope I did. So let's see, let me log in here. Is that safe? Alright, so here's S3. So, what is today? Today's Sunday. Oh, I can't sort this. Okay, well, today is what? March
5th.
5th. Oh man, this is gonna be impossible. Well, maybe I know the key. I don't think I know. I don't think I outputted the key. Yeah. Okay. Well, guess I'll output the key. Did I not? There's no extension on this. What is this?
It's okay.
I guess it's a JPEG.
Is that right?
I'm not sure. I mean, hold on.
Just open the containing folder instead of, or
Open
right click on that download.
this?
Yeah, this is Amazon. This is just how Amazon does it. You click download, and then right click on download, save as. Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think it's probably a JPEG, I think.
Yeah, we can find out. I mean,
Yeah, I mean, it's a JPEG. So
okay.
that worked.
Cool.
Okay, that was easy. Wait, so I wonder, let's see if I can reference this. Access
Yeah,
denied.
you just need to change the access of this bucket to public.
Oh. Where's that? I see all these permissions being checked. Grantee, maybe okay.
I don't know really. Maybe under static website hosting.
Alright, probably this. Everyone?
Okay.
Yeah, everyone. They could view.
Everyone should have view. Yeah.
Okay. So let's go back to thing. Oops. Still getting access denied. Saved, right?
It might only apply to a new image.
Oh. I think like I have to make it public like, manually like this. There's a button called make public.
Oh, okay.
But I don't want to, I mean, we need to be able to do that programmatically.
What's the button on just the file?
Yeah.
There's definitely a way to just do it. Oh, I think you have to. So there's an option. I bet there's an option when you do the upload to make it public.
Oh, okay.
I know I've done this before, but it's too long ago.
Okay. Alright, I think I got it.
Okay. Still seems like it's probably not public. Oh, no, it is. Good. It's public. Alright, so now I need to change the snapshots component. Let's name them with a .jpeg at the end while we're at it here.
Yeah. Key is that plus .jpeg. So here I don't need to do this anymore. I can just put in the link. Let's see. Image source. So we'll need the key now. Plus key. Alright, so we need the key. So snapshot comes from this. So this comes from probably get snapshots. Get snapshots. Wait. Retrieve snapshots. Okay. So retrieve snapshots. Retrieve. Oh, there it is. Retrieve snapshots. Spelled it wrong. Success. So go to the reducer, snapshot reducer. There should be something that listens for the success, and that's gonna set snapshots. Okay, so I don't have to do anything. I think that's fine. Okay, so it will have the key. I just need to make sure that I pass it the key from the back end when I call retrieve snapshots. This one. So I just need to make sure the key is given. That should be it. Then we'll have the key, and then on the snapshots component, it's just going to use the key and put it and create this image element. Oh yeah, most of them won't show up because they don't have that permission. But these new ones should show up. Maybe that last one should have shown up. Oh, this is on the old set. Say very blue ball. The image doesn't show up though.
What's the yeah?
Oh, it's undefined. The key is undefined. Wait, so why is it undefined here? We iterate through all the snapshots. Okay, well, let's put a debugger in that reducer. This thing, so here, where we set all the snapshots, retrieve snapshot success reducer. Let's see, what are we getting back? There, and also into service, retrieve snapshots. Well, actually, the saga. Okay, so once it calls that, let's see if we can get it to stop right here. Okay, so it called retrieve snapshots. So what is the response? Snapshots, there's 10 snapshots. Oh, I bet I know why. It's because the model doesn't have the key. String. And I need to restart the backend.
What's the difference between the file key and the key?
Oh. Oh, I didn't even see that. Oh, I guess it's already there then. So...
Did we name it file?
Did we what? Oh, we named it.
Key instead of file.
So file key, this is used because the backend is going to try to save, I think it's somewhere here, it's going to do a new snapshot like this. Oops. Yeah, so there's new snapshot and it sets the file key here. So that's why we need file key. No, hold on. Yeah. I mean, I mean, just like disregard whatever I just said for like the last 30 seconds. Because I don't think the model is the problem. So we just need to check. I mean, so yeah, here, why are we not getting back the key? So, okay, so where does that come from? That was in the routes here, somewhere here. We get snapshots. Here, get latest 10 snapshots. Snapshot.key, it's snapshot.filekey. I think that's what the model had. Okay, let's just check the database, but I'm pretty sure it's file key. Database, snapshots.
Incidentally, I think we can replace this part of the page
File key.
with, it would be, well, anyways.
Replace it with what?
Good to do this anyways, but I mean, I believe it makes sense to just iframe the, basically make a WordPress page that shows what we want, if it's 10 blog posts, whatever.
Oh yeah.
Then just iframe that thing.
Okay. All right, so cool, it works for some of them.
Okay. Good.
All right, so now on the actual PHP side of things, here content can be, well, the image is going to be, or that's going to be a link, right? Wait, no. How do we display the Amazon S? Well, we just did that.
Source equals.
Yeah, like this.
Yep.
But so the source just has to be the link.
Well, they got more junk than you need. What is all that crap that they have?
Oh, I don't know. I thought you put that there on purpose.
No, that's just automatically generated. I just said add an image and it did all of that automatically through the GUI. I think we just want the source equals part.
Okay, so the source is gonna be, wait, let's do this. Alright, so we need to pass the URL. Where was that? Here.
Zone 4 clear.
Alright, so now when I make the next snapshot, it should make the caption, the title, and it should include the image. Big football. Nice. That worked. There it is.
Nice. Yeah. Big blue ball.
Cool. Yeah, it's kind of a too bad that we have to use the iframe, because I don't know, I mean, it looks kind of, well, I don't know, we can make it look nicer. Alright, so next
Yeah.
we can,
I hear you. It's just that I think it's going to give you a bunch of things. Like, you can probably do, like, light buttons and all that stuff automatically if you iframe it.
yeah. Okay, well, hold on. Let's think through this. So, let's say, so are you thinking like right here? You see where my mouse is, like somewhere here on this actual component is going to be like a Facebook button, a Twitter button, things like that. Like for each
Yeah,
one.
I don't know. We should probably check. I know it does it. It does it on the forum, but that's a different plugin, so who knows? Yeah, not really sure. I mean, yeah, if it's not much different, if it's not an obvious gain, then we don't need to do the iframe. I thought it would maybe give you like share options also.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I mean, sharing buttons to WordPress posts. There's a plugin called Share This,
Mm-hmm.
and that supposedly adds some share buttons to the. Now it might just add them, like you might have to be viewing the post directly to see those. I don't know if it shows up in the list or not.
Yeah, it looks like this. I guess. Yeah, I guess you can have it like this, or you can have it on the side, kind of like hovering. We can try it. Let's try it. Share this.
I'm gonna see if there's another while you're doing that. Huh.
Cool.
That page has 10 different options for.
All right. Well, I see the share options here.
Oh, okay. Interesting.
Interesting. Okay. I mean, all right. I mean, I don't know if I'd be surprised if anybody uses this. And it's missing a Reddit one. That would have been a good one. I guess you can just like find the permalink and create a Reddit post from it. It's not that hard. Oops. Oh fuck. So let me delete a whole bunch of these.
There's other options. Did you hear?
Yeah, I heard. I didn't check it out yet.
This number 7 has a Reddit option.
Okay.
Simple share buttons adder. And number 10 also has a Reddit button.
Let's see. Alright, I'm just going to choose one of them. I'll do simple share buttons adder. Simple share buttons adder. Okay, yeah, that one looks pretty popular. Don't see it. Dig.
Might as well have email.
Okay.
I don't know what the stack of papers is.
Buffer.
Let's do. Let's put email at the beginning or the end.
Okay.
Okay.
We gotta change that text. We gotta get rid of this save to Facebook thing too. That's weird.
Is that the other plugin conflicting or something?
No, I deactivated the other one. Save to Facebook. I think that's this. Don't need this. And then this text. That font really sucks. I wonder if there's a way to change that font.
Let's see what counters has. Counters.
Okay, hold on. Share account? Doesn't really matter, I don't think.
I just wanted to see.
You said yeah?
No, you don't really need it. Well, I don't know. It's
Let's
gonna
see
be
what it
pretty
looks
low
like.
right now.
Yeah. Oh, I should change text. I don't know what. Maybe nothing.
Just
Share.
sure. Yeah. Share dot dot dot.
Dot. Whatever. It's fine.
I'll do a quick check on how YouTube expresses this. I might just have. They just changed. Like YouTube just changed their interface, by the way.
Really? Let me see.
Yeah, they just have the word share.
With the dot.
No dot dot.
Share. Okay. Alright, let me change that. I think Kevin's using a different pink than I am. Oops, what? The heck? What? Oh. Whoa. It turned green. Weird. Whatever. Just have to eyeball it. Whatever.
So now we can have a main link at the top that says
Good.
snapshots. brings them to
Hold on.
this.
Okay. I'm just gonna do black. Or you're saying have a main link at the top of, or have a link at the top of the node site.
Yeah.
It takes them to this page.
I mean, it'll be on both sides.
Okay, both sides. But yeah, I mean, it's just you know, like our blog, our official blog. There may be the chance, you know, that it says some crazy stuff. User posted crazy stuff.
Well, this is. Oh yeah, we should put the usernames here too, so it's clear that we didn't actually do this. But
yeah.
also, we probably need to separate this so it's not our blog. I mean, this is injecting into our blog, but it really should be like two categories. My guess is that WordPress can handle that.
Yeah. Oh, man.
There's no. I don't see a category per se, but they have tags.
What? I see a category.
Oh, you do?
Yeah. Well, I'll show you. This?
Oh, okay.
I've already created a snapshots one.
Okay, okay.
It's called post category. Array of category names, slugs, or IDs. IDs, huh? What is the ID of this? Slug is called snapshots. It says it should be an array though. Array. that. Okay, cool, that worked. Alright, so now we just need the link to basically all the blog posts that are in the snapshot category. Oh, I need to put in the username as well. Snapshot by user. Let's do that. Author. Let's also put it in the title. The title will be why is it all uppercase? Snapshot by user by then we need the user in here, username, I guess the caption could be, I guess, like in the content under the image.
Kinda. I was thinking the same thing, but it's like, I don't know if there's a right answer on that. It makes sense to have it in the title, because what else are you going to put in the title?
The title would be just snapshot by user.
Yeah, but that's
ABC.
not very. I don't want all the things to have the title snapshot.
Not just snapshot, snapshot by user. I mean user ABC.
I don't want that either. I mean, that's not. Well, kind of makes sense, but.
Well, I mean they might have long captions, right? Their captions might be pretty descriptive, and it might look weird to have a long string in the title.
Well, just try putting the name, the username, and the comment, and let's just see how it looks. Not, without the snapshot by.
In the comment, you said, or in the title?
Yeah, the title, the username, and the caption.
Okay. Username.
That's it.
Just like that.
Well, with the
guess
colon,
with the
I
space.
think
Yeah.
you had it.
Okay, so that means we need to send the username here, which is
Because I imagine there's going to be lists there's going to be times when there's like a list of posts and it's going to be by name, and it's a lot better if you can just see what the comment was in the name.
Mm-hmm.
Maybe, so how about, yeah, I think there's a compromise. We could put so my favorite.
I don't mind that. That's fine.
I mean, I like that. We could also put the comment in the text. And, I mean, if you're worried about really long ones, we could just take, like, you know what Evernote does? It basically takes, like, the first few words of your post and turns it into the title. If you don't manually specify it.
Mm-hmm.
So we could do that. But for now, I mean, I think this looks good, actually, for now. Let's see if it works.
Yeah. I think this looks good. So last thing, how do I like get all blog posts by category?
Welcome to WP Beginner, and thank you for watching. In today's video, you'll learn how to show recent posts by category in WordPress. Do you want to showcase a specific category in WordPress sidebar widget? You can choose one of two methods. First one is an easy method, and it's by using a plugin called Category Post Widget. To get started, we'll just install and activate the plugin, then go to Appearance, Widget, and drag the Category Post widget where you want it to go. From here, you can give it a title, choose which category you want to show, and the number of posts to show for that category. You can also choose how to sort it. You have all these other options down here to choose from. Just customize it to fit your needs, and when you're finished, click Save. Now we can go to our demo site and see it in action. Here it's showing the last 5 for my category like I want it to. The second way to do this is a little bit more advanced. It does not require a plugin, but it does require you to add some code to your themes function PHP file. First, you want to make sure you back up your site, and then you add the code like this to your functions.php file. For the category select, make sure you put your category in there. What this code does is it brings back the 10 posts from a specific category and displays it in a bulleted list. Also, if the post has a feature.
Alright.
Did you find it?
You want to try this plugin this lady's talking about, or?
Yeah. What was it called?
Thank you for watching WordPress. First one is an easy method, and it's by using a plugin called Category Post Widget. To get started,
Category Post Widget.
Okay.
As an easy method, just install and activate the plugin, then go to Appearance, Widget, and drag the category post widget where you want it to go. From here, the plugin, then go to Appearance, Widget. To get started, we'll just install and activate the plugin, then go to Appearance.
Wait, so she said drag it into where I want it to go, but I don't understand this GUI here. What am I looking at? Footer column?
I don't know.
Maybe a sidebar?
And drag the category post widget where you want it to go. From here, you can give it a title.
Whoa, there's an error.
Sidebar. You don't want it in the sidebar though, right?
I don't know where to put it.
Why is there no... I don't understand that. Seems like there should be a content area.
Yeah. Well, looks like this plugin's erroring out anyway.
Choose which category you want to show, where you want it to go. From drag the category post, then go to Appearance, Widget, and drag the category post widget where you want it to go.
They have a place called Secondary Widget Area.
Hmm.
Main Widget Area.
Okay.
It says main widget appears in the footer section of the site. Secondary widget appears
Whoa.
on posts and pages in the sidebar. Footer of the site.
I don't think that plugin's any good. It's causing a bunch of errors.
Yeah, okay. Just blow it away. Just uninstall it. Last thing we need is like a bunch of messed up plugins. They're tends to just get worse and worse as you add more and more.
Yeah. Alright, well, what's the other options? I thought WordPress would have this out of the box. Can't.
Yeah, it seemed like it would. Well, maybe this is the answer. This is just what Google is squirting out.
Select categories. Oh, okay, yeah. It's like add to menu. Okay, yeah, it's there. That's good.
Cool.
Snapshots. Oh, of course. The URL is pretty predictable. Okay, so then we just add this to the header. There's not much space anymore.
You can actually change the styling to make. You could make it look quite a bit better, I'm sure.
Change the style. What do you mean?
Of everything. Well, I mean, in WordPress, you can. I mean, if you don't know already, you can pretty deeply change the styling of everything in WordPress.
Yeah. Yeah. I'm not that good at styling. I use Material UI, that's why this page looks alright.
But what I mean is Material UI is just all it is a bunch of CSS that's causing this thing to be styled for the most part.
Yeah.
Material UI is probably got some JavaScript it's doing animations with, but
Yeah. So everything looks good except suddenly our share buttons. Jesus Christ. I mean, how are we going to debug this? So the share buttons disappear on the category page. Let's see. Maybe we go to plugins. Maybe this. Categories?
yeah.
Oh, cool. Awesome. All right. Nice. All right. Well, I think this is a good stopping point. My neck is starting to hurt. I think
Okay.
I've been sitting just all day too long. But I'll check everything in. And, yeah.
Cool.
I guess we can deploy it sometime soon. All right. Well, I'm going to go.
I'm gonna ask Kevin about this. Like, we don't have sidebars anymore. It looks odd. I'm gonna ask him about that.
Yeah.
We need to like bring those back.
Yeah. I don't remember how it used to look like.
Like all WordPress sites have a sidebar.
Oh, wow.
Sometimes
This
one,
looks...
sometimes two.
Okay.
But it's never just like. Well, it might be sometimes, but it's like 99% of the time people will use sidebars. Just looks kind of odd to have this giant blob of.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, I was thinking the same thing too. But I was thinking we can just make the card smaller. Probably can be done with some CSS.
Yeah.
And center it. So it would just be a centered vertical list of cards. But anyway, I'm going to go.
Okay.
Okay.
All right, man.
All right. See ya.
Nice
Have a good
work.
night.
Yeah.
Thanks.
See you later.
Yeah, you too. All right. Bye.